Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
I have fun. This is my phone. This is my Zara. Don't go fast. Can you walk to that place?
One week later.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you're not okay.
The next day.
What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
1 week later.
Hi people, so welcome back to the same vlog. So currently right now I want to make yogurt drink. One of my supplier called me yesterday morning or afternoon, so he said my staff actually supplied them yogurt 2 days ago, and the one they supplied them is finished and I should bring another one. So I told them, okay, I'm going to bring another one for him today, which is Saturday. So today is Saturday, and I want to make a yogurt drink and go and supply to them at the supermarket stores. You get. So that's what I want to do currently right now. I'm going to carry you guys along. Not from the beginning to the end because I've done some parts yesterday evening. So I'll be showing you guys, some processes of how I'm making my, my yogurt drink. You get. So you guys should stick with me on this vlog, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do that. Like this video and give it a thumbs up. Share this video if you can. Drop your comments and let me know what you think about this video. So the thing is, I'm doing this yogurt drink in my home, in my house, because I was supposed to go and do it at my cake studio today, but I just told my girls that they should just bring some of my materials today. So yesterday She bring it to my house yesterday, so that this morning I will just have to, or this afternoon I'll just have to do the yogurt and all of that to get. So I want to do it right now. Make the yogurt, put a sticker on it, and then call them to come and go and supply it at the pharmacies. Okay, mixer here. This is actually a 7 liter mixer. This is what I use for my yogurt drink. If I'm making a small quantity, I use this particular bigger size of mixer. You get. But if I'm doing a bigger quantity of yogurt drink, I'll have to use my industrial mixer. That one's at my cake studio. So this is my mixer bowl here, and this one here is the dough hook. Sorry, they call this one balloon wicks. So I use it for my cakes, and I use it for my yogurt as well. I also use it for my whipping cream as well. And in here is my sugar for the yogurt drink. So I'm doing a sweetened yogurt drink. So when you hear sweetened yogurt drink, it means that sugar is being added into it. So that makes it sweetened Greek yogurt or sweetened yogurt drink. So this one here is my vanilla flavor, and this one here are actually my stickers you get. Yeah, also I have the bottles, and my bottles there that I'm going to use to pour inside the yogurt drink. I'm going to pour the yogurt inside. So guys, let's get started so I can finish up this thing, because my husband wants to prepare abacha right now. So I need to. Guys, we come to the end of this vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video if you can, drop a nice comment and let me know what you think about this video. Lastly, do not forget to turn your notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload a video on this channel. So guys, I want to actually go off right now because my husband wants to make his favorite abacha. You get. So but I'm not going to incorporate it here. I'm not going to put it in this particular vlog because I want to end it, but rather I'm going to use that one to start a new vlog. Okay, so guys, talk to you all later. Merry Christmas and do have a beautiful weekend, depending on when you're watching the video, sha, because I don't know when this video will be up particularly, but let me just wish you guys a blissful week and a blissful Merry Christmas. So guys, stay blessed and stay fabulous. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.